Fog light installation. First, let's remove these 5mm Allen bolts. Make sure to hold on to these. We're also going to be removing this storage box down here. These are also 5mm Allens. Keep them separate so you don't mix them up. We'll be routing the wire through here and up through here. Here's the amber fog light. We'll be mounting it to the light bar right here. Take the rubber piece and place it on this side. Then take the back of the bracket and bolt it in. An extra hand is helpful here. It doesn't need to be in the exact place until it's tightened completely. Make sure you're using Loctite on your bolts. Now that we've got the light about where we want it, we can position, straighten, and tighten everything completely. Loosen these two 5mm Allen bolts here. Next, we will repeat the fastening process of a light from the other side. Make sure to Loctite your bolts and securely tighten once everything is in the correct placement. We will now run this cable in this spot here through the bars. We will leave this alone here for right now. This is your main harness, which will go back to the control box. This will need to route above this bracket. Use your finger to guide the wire through here. Pull the wire through here, then go up. Tuck the wire under the plastic, then under the frame here. Connect the wires like so. We will zip tie it to a bracket in a moment. Let's start at the front and zip tie the wire here to the light bar. Here's the cable management clip that's included with your kit. We're going to stick this on the inside of the plastic of the bike. Make sure to clean the area you're going to stick it on first with isopropyl rubbing alcohol. We'll be using this clip for multiple wires. Peel off the backing and pick a nice solid area and press it down for about 30 seconds. Time to zip tie the other side. Feed the wire through here. Connect the wires here. We will be putting more wires through later, and we'll be zip tying them then. Just like the other side, run the wire under the plastics and under the frame. You can either leave the bolts off or reattach them loosely for now. We'll need to take them off again when we run the other wires.